Where are you going to keep your boat? Congratulations, you finally have the boat of your dreams. Now, where are you going to keep it? If you're lucky enough to live where the water doesn't freeze, you can just keep it in the water year-round. Even then, you'll have to decide where to dock it. If you own waterfront property that's sufficiently protected from bad weather, you can keep it there. The rest of us will have to pay. There are marinas and boat clubs. So in this episode of Budget Boat Cruising, we're going to look at both sides of the docking issue.
Boat clubs, or yacht clubs as they're also known, are usually clubs owned by the members. You have to pay a fee to join and sometimes get on a waiting list. Some of these clubs are quite exclusive and expensive. I believe it was Groucho Marx who said that he would refuse to join any club that would have him as a member. There are pros and cons to club membership. Some clubs charge a minimal joining fee, and you must commit to working a number of days in the year at the club. Members share common equipment such as pump-outs and cranes. The clubhouse may have a kitchen where you can make some food, and there's probably showers, washing and drying facilities. Clubs like this allow you to bring your own bottles of wine or beer, as there is no formal dining room. People join these working clubs, as they're known, to share, for camaraderie, and perhaps to race. Other clubs may have a bar and a dining room with a liquor license. You may be required, as part of your membership, to spend a minimal amount each month in the bar or dining room. The club could have employees to do some or all of the work you might normally do yourself on your boat. I wouldn't feel comfortable doing that. If you plan to cruise extensively, keep in mind that all clubs have reciprocals. That is, an arrangement with other clubs where members can stay for free or very cheap at the other members' club. Each club have their own rules, but often they reflect the rules your club has on reciprocals. So check it out.
The other option is marinas. Marinas are usually privately owned for-profit businesses that cater to the boater, both transient, that is staying for a night or two, and seasonal. There's usually no dining room, but there might be a snack bar. There's usually no clubhouse, although they may provide sheltered area for socializing. If you want to drink, you bring your own. You will pay for each service you require, although packages of services such as haul-out and storage are available. The cost of most marinas is similar to working clubs, only there is no upfront joining fee. Most marinas charge per foot, that is by the length of your boat, often with a minimum. At my marina, the minimum charge is for 30 feet. My boat's 26. So, if I were to generalize, I would suggest that you should check out all your options in your area, but in general, marinas are the cheapest in the short term, then working clubs in the longer term. If you are a budget boater, you may want to stay away from yacht clubs, unless you want to meet someone rich. See you next time.